Water crisis in Pakistan, a critical overview. Pakistan is facing a severe water crisis that threatens its agriculture, economy, and the lives of millions. With a rapidly growing population, poor water management, climate change, and outdated infrastructure, the country is moving closer to becoming a water-scarce nation. Key causes of the water crisis in Pakistan. 1. Overpopulation. Pakistan's population has crossed 240 million, leading to a sharp rise in water demand for drinking, agriculture, and industry. Though poor water management. Over 90% of water is used for agriculture, but outdated irrigation methods like flood irrigation waste enormous amounts of water. 3. A declining river flows. The Indus River System, Pakistan's main water source, is under stress due to reduced flow from India and poor internal distribution. 4. Groundwater depletion. Excessive pumping of underground water, especially in urban and agricultural areas, is depleting aquifers at an unsustainable rate. 5. Climate change. Glacial melting, erratic monsoons, and changing rainfall patterns are reducing water availability and increasing the risk of floods and droughts. 6. Lack of dams and storage. Pakistan can store only 30 days of water supply compared to India's 200 days. The lack of large dams leads to water wastage during the monsoon season. 7. Pollution and contamination. Industrial waste, sewage, and agricultural runoff pollute rivers and lakes, making water unfit for consumption and irrigation. Impact of the crisis. Agricultural loss. As an agrarian economy, Pakistan heavily relies on water for crops like wheat, rice, and cotton. Water shortages directly hurt food production and exports. Health issues. Lack of clean drinking water leads to waterborne diseases like cholera, diarrhea, and hepatitis, especially in rural areas. Economic threat. Water shortages may reduce GDP growth and cause increased poverty, migration, and unemployment. Regional tensions. The Indus Water Treaty with India is under strain, and water disputes can escalate into political or military conflict. Solutions and recommendations. 1. Build more dams. Projects like Daimar Bhasha and Muhammad dams need urgent funding and fast-track development. 2. Adopt efficient irrigation. Shift to drip and sprinkler irrigation systems to conserve water in agriculture. 3. Water pricing and regulation. Introduce tariffs to discourage waste and promote conservation, especially in cities and farms. 4. Public awareness. Launch campaigns to educate people on the importance of saving water and preventing pollution. 5. Rainwater harvesting. Encourage collection and use of rainwater in urban and rural areas. 6. Transboundary cooperation. Maintain diplomatic channels and legal frameworks for fair water sharing with neighboring countries. Conclusion. Pakistan's water crisis is not just an environmental issue, but a threat to national survival. Urgent reforms, infrastructure development,